Next, we will discuss a few examples in which it is necessary to apply the integration by parts twice. Let's do the following example in which we have the product of x squared and cosine of x. We rewrite the integrand and choose u and dv and integrate by parts by differentiating u to find du and integrating dv to find v. We apply the integration by parts formula and produce a new integral, which is easier than the original integral and can be found with another integration by parts. We choose new u and dv and integrate by parts by differentiating u to find du and integrating dv to find v. The second integration by parts formula results in a trivial integral. We get the final answer by simplifying the expression. Let's do another example in which we have the product of x squared and this time the natural exponential function. We rewrite the integrand and choose u and dv and integrate by parts by differentiating u to find du and integrating dv to find v. We apply the integration by parts formula and produce a new integral which is easier than the original integral and can be found with another integration by parts. We choose new u and dv and integrate by parts again by differentiating u to find du and integrating dv to find v. This second integration by parts formula results in a trivial integral. We get the final answer by simplifying the expression. We discussed a few examples in which it is necessary to apply the integration by parts twice.